you know many people are having trouble with cleaning the side ledges of their Braun HT 600 Sommelier Toaster? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare toaster for cleaning. Check if your toaster has cooled and is unplugged before beginning. Step 2. Remove crumb tray. Pull out the crumb tray from the bottom of your toaster. Step 3. Wipe ledges clean. With a damp sponge, carefully wipe both interior and exterior of the side ledge. Step 4. Apply dishwashing liquid. If needed, apply a minuscule amount of dishwashing liquid. Step 5. Cleanse soap residue. Rinse the sponge and wipe the ledges again to remove any soapy residue. Step 6. Air dry ledges. Allow side ledges to air dry before reinserting the crumb tray and using the toaster. After following these steps, you'll ensure your toaster is squeaky clean without any crumbs or residue. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Braun users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.